Today, I'll teach you how to pull geographic business data from the Yelp Fusion API. This tutorial will use the request package, which is a flexible framework for sending HTTP requests. So while we focus on the Yelp API here, the grammar of the request package is transferable to many other APIs. To start, we need access to the Yelp Fusion API. Head over to the Yelp developer website and create an account. Once you're logged in, create a new app to obtain your API key. This key is a unique identifier that allows Yelp to recognize you and grant you access to their data. Let's get into the code. First, we need to import the necessary libraries and set up our API key and headers. We'll be using the request library to pull from the API and the pandas library for data manipulation. We then input our API key as a string and create a headers object. This will be used to verify our identity and authorize our requests when interacting with the API. We then define the Yelp API endpoint we'll be accessing. In this case, it's the business search endpoint, which allows us to search for businesses based on various criteria. Next, we set up the parameters for our request. The term parameter specifies what we're searching for, which is cat cafe in our case. The location parameter sets the geographic area of our search, which will be New York City. The categories parameter helps narrow down the search to specific business types, here cat cafes. Finally, the limit parameter defines the maximum number of results we want to retrieve. We know what these parameters are because the documentation for the Yelp Fusion API lists these parameters. If you want to do a more complex search, check out the link shared in the video description below. With our headers and parameters defined, we make the request to the Yelp API using the request.get function. This function sends a GET request to the specified URL with our headers and parameters and returns a response object, which is a JSON object. Next, we parse the JSON object and use pandas to transform it into a data frame. If everything works correctly, we'll be able to view the business results when we print the data frame. We can see that there are many cat cafes in New York City. The first few entries include Brooklyn Cat Cafe, Black Cat LES, and Meow Parlor. Taking a closer look at the data frame, you'll find columns with various details about each business, such as the name, address, geographic coordinates, number of reviews, Yelp rating, and price. This information can be leveraged in many applications of spatial analysis and data science. If you look closer at the supposed cat cafes that our API request pulled, however, you'll notice that this dataset contains many pet stores and animal rescue shelters rather than just cat cafes. To filter these out, you'll have to test different search queries within the parameters section of the API request. You might have to do some post-API pull filtering as well to ensure that you've pulled the right type of business. You can find a link to the code for this tutorial in the video description below. And if you found this useful, drop a comment, like, and subscribe to the Deep Charts channel.